Have you wondered that an antioxidant can be used as a bun? Please see the video and find out the twist. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel Ankit Food for Thought. I'm going to make stuffed pepper. For stuffing, we will be using two sauces and boiled chicken. One is tangy sauce and the other one is the mint sauce. Ingredients for tangy sauce. So we have 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of chili sauce or 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. You can use as it per your own requirement. Then we have 1/3 teaspoon of red chili, 2 teaspoon of honey. Then we have garlic as per your own taste. Then half red capsicum or 3/4 of red capsicum as per your taste. Then we have 1 teaspoon of pasta sauce and olive oil. Now we are making tangy sauce. Ingredients for mint sauce. So 1 bowl of mint, then half bowl of coriander, then 1 tablespoon curd, some green chilies and salt as per taste. Here I am using freshly prepared mint that I have cut from the garden. Now I'm going to make mint sauce. So this is the tangy sauce that I have prepared. In this I have used some chicken stock that I have used while boiling the chicken, and this is the mint sauce. Now we are going to saute the boiled chicken with, I am just adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And now we are just adding these. And adding a little bit of oil. Main ingredients. So here we are going to use pani puri masala, mayonnaise, mint mayonnaise. This is 78% fat free. Then we have capsicums, red capsicum and yellow capsicum, and cheese slices. So now we are going to heat the capsicums for 30 seconds. Now we are going to crisp it for 30 seconds. Now we have prepared this tangy chicken. We have just mixed the tangy sauce with the boiled chicken, and we have prepared one tangy chicken dish. Now we are going to make the mint chicken filling. So we have just used the chicken that we sorted it out, and we have used this mint sauce, and we are going to use mayonnaise and mint mayonnaise. We have added both type of chicken in it in the separate capsicums. So after 2 minutes, and we have also put the cheese on it. So after 2 minutes we got this. Now we are just going to add some cheese slices to it and microwave it for 45 seconds. Food for thought. So antioxidant can be used as bun. So just give it a thought to it. Now these are the antioxidant chicken buns. So if you like it, subscribe, like, comment and share, and hit the bell icon.